Hey y'all! I'm going to Vegas this weekend and I have yet to pack or prep anything. And of course I need to do a full like beauty care situation. I need to tan, I need to do my nails. So I'm gonna show you kind of what I'm gonna pack for the weekend because I only have a personal item. I don't even have a carry-on. And also look at this freaking view. How crazy is this? That this is just, oh my God, that's bright. Can you see it? It is super hot today, and so I want to pack first because if I shower and put my tan on right now, I am gonna just sweat it off. The first and most important thing is that we're going to the Backstreet Boys show, and the kind of like dress code, even though it's not the official dress code, is all white. So I need to put together an outfit for that. Let's just try it. Okay, obviously I would wear a different bra with this, but option one is just this white little dress. The only thing that makes this feel too cash to me is that it's ribbed, although my sister is working for the show, so I also don't want to go too crazy, which I think my next option might be a little bit much. Okay, this is the insane one that I think might be a little bit much. This is kind of the general look of this one. I feel like this is not the move, at least not for the show. This is option number 3. This is definitely the most interesting, but I wish this was just like a little different. I don't know. And this skirt is off-white. So it's close, but there are things that are slightly off. So I think the ribbed one, even though it's the most boring, wins this. Holy crap, I'm sweaty. Please ignore that. 4-hour club night. I'm thinking I either do this little red lace one. My sister's heels that she has are also red like this, and I'm hoping that she'll let me borrow them if I can't fit heels in my bag, which I really don't think I'm gonna be able to. The only thing is that this is like obviously kind of quite fancy, and worst case scenario, if I can't wear my sister's heels, I'm gonna have to wear my sandals, which are not gonna look great with this. The other option, which is just my tried and true, is just this black little tube dress. What's nice about this is that I can also put a skirt over this for a secondary look. This is kind of a classic. Maybe I'll just bring this and then I'll bring like a skirt and top option as well. My other little just like, you know, out for the day things are like, I could bring this. The only thing is that this doesn't go as tiny as some of my other skirts. Like this is still quite a bit of space taken up. And also, this might be too hot for Vegas. I'm thinking maybe as just like an extra skirt option, I just bring, again, tried and true, this little gray scrunchie, because it kind of goes with everything. In terms of just like casual day tops, I honestly don't want to bring anything with a crazy sleeve because it's literally going to be 42 degrees. So I just have this pink tank. I have this little black tank. This one could maybe be like a little fun for like going out. And then I have this. This does have kind of a sleeve, but it's like barely a shirt. So I think it'll be fine. This little white one, which is cute. And then also I just have this blue tank. Keep in mind, I'm literally only there for 2 full days. So I really don't need that much clothing. I think I'll bring these little shorts and then I'll probably wear these to the airport. I'll probably wear one of those tanks to the airport too. I just had a fun idea. This brand sent me this top, this sheer high side bodysuit from Soda London, and it like does up in the front and it's see-through. It could be really fun with like a little bra under with a skirt for a night out. That could be super cute. Next though is bikinis. And my favorite thing about a bikini is not the bikini, but the cover-up, okay? I think I should just bring like my black bikini, and then with that, I'm thinking I'll bring this little cover-up. It's long, but it could be kind of cute for the beach, and it's sheer, so it's like a fun little, or not for the beach, sorry. Not the beach, for the pool. That could be fun. And it goes, the great thing about this is it goes super tiny. Ooh, or should I bring polka dot? Ooh, I love this one because it comes with this little, these bottoms, which are super cute. Let's just do stripey and plain black, actually. Let's do that. I have this little like matching set. This is like a little tube top and it's completely backless. And then came with these little shorts. So these are obviously quite little. So this might be a pool look only. The only thing is that I don't really know if this goes with this could go over my black one. Yeah, kind of fun. I'm actually just gonna bring my Skims boxers. These are basically shorts, so it doesn't really matter. And I think I'm gonna bring this top to be pajamas, which is probably kind of gross because I've been wearing it all day. Don't care. Okay, now I just need to round up my unmentionables, and then we'll do accessories, makeup. My sister has her Dyson there, so I don't think I'll need to bring that much hair stuff, which is a lifesaver. Something very important that I almost forgot to pack are shorts for under my dresses, because cannot catch me in the club with no shorts under my dress. Never gonna happen. I never pack this light. Don't look at my unmentionables. This is pretty good. Can I fit this in a tiny backpack? We don't know. The other thing is that I also need to bring, ideally, my iPad, so I can edit this video, but also all this stuff for my sister's birthday. So I still need to write her card. First things first is makeup. My trusty little bag here. There's more smaller bags inside of there. So I need to bring both colors of my foundation because I'm gonna be tan. My concealer, I'm almost out of this, but it's fine. Patrick Ta. I would love to bring a liquid blush, but that shit, I feel like it always explodes when I travel. So I think I'm just gonna bring my powder. You know what, f it, let's bring my liquid blush. I don't know why I keep an old dried out mascara in here. No. This one is also basically old and dried out, but it's fine. Eyebrow, eyeliner, dark lip liner, and this. Let's bring a lighter lip liner and a lighter lip gloss. I'm tempted to bring, that's very up close and personal. I'm tempted to bring fake lashes because I ripped out a lot of my lash extensions and now I have no lashes on my eyes and I feel like I'm gonna feel shy going out. This is looking musty as fuck, but I could bring these. These are a bit much. Is this like literally brand new? Why have I never used this? Powder, almost forgot my powder. And then big brush, angled brush, this brush, this brush, this brush, this brush. These I'm gonna need later, but I'm gonna pack them. Some eyeshadow things, which I probably will not use. We're good. That's good for makeup. Another issue with just bringing a personal item is that this is technically a personal item, but obviously I'm not just gonna bring this, but I need a purse for the weekend. I'm not gonna walk around with a backpack. And so I'm gonna empty my purse out and use it to put all my like hair care stuff in, I think, and like accessories. And then when I get there, I'll just unpack. Except I hate doing this because this is the part where I just have to pour all this shit out on a table somewhere. Or pour it into a different purse, which is super annoying. I hate doing it. She's empty. Okay, there was one singular Advil in there. Let's do jewelry and accessories next. Come this way. Okay, so I think that's super backlit, but it's fine. It's only for a second. I'll bring some hoops. I'll bring my anklet. This bracelet, shout out Haley. Little studs. I'm too lazy to put these into the holes right now, so I'm just gonna put them inside. And then I'm not gonna bring any of my nice rings other than my engagement ring because I don't trust myself. So I'm just gonna bring some of these like shitty little rings that I don't really care if they get lost or destroyed because they were very inexpensive. Let's also bring maybe one more bracelet, my locket, because I always wear my locket. I don't know why I'm not wearing my locket right now, to be honest. I'm so excited to see the show. I wouldn't say I'm like, you know, a diehard Backstreet fan, but it's gonna be so cool to watch it from like Emily's kind of perspective, my sister, because she's seen the show probably like 100 times. I'm excited. I think it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna take my little jewelry thing. This will go in my purse. Maybe I'll put body and hair stuff. So I'll put my deodorant. I'll put my little hairbrush. This is my name that I got at Callaway Park when I was a child. This bad boy for my blowout. I don't like that I lost the lid for that though. Maybe could I take this lid? I wonder if this would fit on here. Let's go. What else can go in here though? What other, oh, maybe I'll bring like a waist chain and tied to go maybe. If I think of anything else that needs to go in here, I'll put it in here. So that's one bag that'll go inside the other bag. So first cleanser, let's add a little bit of this to this. I'm just bringing my CeraVe stuff. The great thing about my sister living there is also that like, if I need anything, I'll just take it. Sorry, Emily. Oh, almost forgot. Facial sunscreen, of course. And I've been loving this little eye gel. Okay, this is filled with mini perfumes. And so I try to use them up when I go on trips. So let's pick one. Let's bring this one. Dolce & Gabbana. I think that's it. This is quite a hefty bag though for all my makeup and toiletry stuff. So I'm really hoping that everything fits. I also am gonna pack my GoPro, of course. I'm gonna vlog the whole time, of course. But I have like just like these random little things. Like I have a couple SD cards, extra SD cards, an extra battery, my little mini tripod. Have I looked just hideous this whole time? Not sure. This is the backpack that I use also, which she's not tiny, but she's not very big. Okay, so far that's about how full this is. Let's put this stuff in other than the card. The card I'll have to put in a second once I do it. Gift, slide right back. These I'm probably just gonna put in my pocket for it's dirty. Still fairly skinny. We're good. I'm filming.
Hello.
Hello.
Scan. This is what I wore.
Nice. Holy mother. Okay, that is not gonna fit in the sizer, I don't think. She's also really heavy, so this might be a situation where Ethan needs to take something from me.
Sure.
I think we did pretty good. I think if I can somehow maneuver this into the sizer, we killed it. This is a little card I got her. It's super cute, but what drew me to it is that the envelope is like seeds, so she can plant it. The only thing is that I know you're not usually supposed to travel over the border with seeds. And that's what this is, but apparently they're non-invasive, so the American border people are nice. But let's write in this. Now that I'm all packed and the card is written and everything, I'm gonna take a break to make and have dinner, maybe go for a little walk, and then we need to start our beauty prep. Okay, it is now 9:26 p.m. I was gonna do my eyebrows and my nails and my tan and everything tonight. However, I don't think I'm gonna do my nails tonight because I have a bunch of stuff like work to do tomorrow and I honestly can't operate with them. So I think I'm just gonna do my shower, shave, tan, maybe brows tonight, and then I'll do the rest tomorrow.
But it's good to know.
I realized I can't actually show my tan routine, so this is the tan that I've been using. I also really like the Saint Tropez or Saint Tropez, whatever, the cherry scented one, because this smells questionable. And then my mitt is raggedy. But I'll do my skincare with you, and then I'll do my tan, and then I'll just head to bed and do the rest tomorrow. I've been using this for... Babe, do you mind? So I've been using this as my cleanser. Is that open?
I love you.
Love you. I keep cleansing with this. There are a couple other cleansers that I quite like, but I like that this one removes makeup. Next, I use this Good Molecules brightening toner, and then my prescribed acne cream because I still get adult acne. And this hyaluronic acid serum, and then I already packed it, but I normally use my eye cream night and morning. And then I finish with this Good Molecules lightweight daily moisturizer. And then in the morning, I just remove the acne cream. I replace it with vitamin C serum. And then I add an SPF in the morning. And that's it. I will see you tomorrow morning. Hi, it's actually not the morning. I know I said I'd see you in the morning. It's like 12:30 right now. I did tan. I know I don't look that tanned, Also, this fit is crazy. I don't look that tanned, so I put another layer on and I'm letting it sit for a few hours and then I'll rinse it off. I did pluck my eyebrows last night. It wasn't interesting and it took like literally 1 minute, so I didn't show you. But I have press-ons that I want to put on for the weekend. I need to decide which ones I want to put on. And then I also need to do my toes. Why is it so loud outside? Oh. Hey, there's a window washer. Let's pick some press-ons. I only have 2 options for these. I have these ones, which are super cute and super fun. The only thing with these is that they are quite long, and I fear that I won't be able to finish editing this vlog if I put these on. Also, these just are a lot sometimes with the embellishments. So I think these are starting to look a little bit musty because I've worn them quite a few times, but I think I'll just do these ones. But I also need to go get new mascara before we leave. I can't go out like this. I don't know. Shout out Curtis Connor. I'm not very prepared for this trip, but I'm gonna use this, and then I'm also, look at my hunch. I'm also gonna give myself a little mini pink pedicure because of course, why wouldn't I do that? Sorry, we're getting very up close and personal. Also, I never wear makeup to the airport, but I had like a work call this morning, so I had to put makeup on and do my hair and stuff. So it's gonna feel very weird. Pinky, nail file. Some of you are probably gonna think this is gross, but I literally always just do my nails on the couch. Even clipping them, don't care. Okay, this is feeling too much like a FaceTime. I need to be... Okay, my plan is that if I can get my nails and stuff done within the next hour, it'll be fine timing to rinse off this second layer of tan. And then I can run to Shoppers and grab new mascara. What else is going on in my life? It's been really nice in Vancouver lately, but I feel like I haven't gotten like a true summer day out yet. I haven't had like a beach day with my friends where we just like literally sit on the beach for the whole day or whatever. And like I don't have a corporate job right now. This is my setup right now for doing my toes. I'm usually fine with painting my own toenails. One thing I've yet to master with the home pedicure is, okay, that's a lot. Like how to get all the dry shit off my feet, because I be having calluses, crazy calluses. And I know you're supposed to use like a pumice stone or whatever, pumice stone, but I'm just not very good at it. It's not looking so good, but it's fine. This is my like 4th time using these, I think. So these bad boys last. I'm hoping that I have enough. Sounds like I got enough glue in here. So to do these, usually I just clipped my nails down, and then I know this is probably a sensory thing for people, but I file like my actual like front of my nail to make it rough, but I feel like it helps the glue stick better. So as you can see, these are used. I'm hoping that these still go on properly. Damn, these are definitely a little bit messed up. I'm gonna put it on my right hand first versus my left hand, because my left hand I'm not very good at. I put it on the nail and on my nail. I just take it, push it in like that, push it down, and then just hold for a sec. Usually a little bit of glue oozes out the side. Oh, I'm gluing my finger to it. Hold that for like 10 to 15 seconds. It's already pretty sturdy. It'll dry fully, it'll get better. Anyway, I'm gonna do the rest of them. I don't need to be on camera for that, and then I'll show you when I'm done. From far away, glam, feeling good. Close up, they're definitely a little bit busted, but you won't be able to tell from far away. A little, ooh, ah. I'm done my second round of tan, and I like it more now for sure. I feel like it just looks a little more like an actual tan and less just, sometimes when I tan, I feel like I just look like a normal level. I don't actually look tan, I just look healthy, and so I wanted a little bit more than that. I'm actually really close to being out of mascara, so I'm gonna go pick up mascara and then also a little snack for Ethan and I. And then I think we leave in like 2.5 hours, or 3 hours, so we're almost there. Okay, I'm all done packing and beauty prep, so we're good to go. Next time I'll see you will be my Vegas vlog, so I'll see you there. Bye.